Dear installation artists, Sasha K apologizes for being unable to send a personalized video message today. She is currently stuck inside the internet preparing for a live stream performance this evening. I, her collaborator Alex Dva, will translate from our conversation. Please watch the following video to learn what took place in class on Thursday. Much was revealed. Assignments are due on Tuesday, including the proposal for your next project and discussion questions to be posed to our visiting artist Jennifer Wofford, who will be with us on Tuesday at noon. You also have a reading assignment due next Thursday, which requires you to respond with more discussion questions prior to class. Please check out the assignments page in Canvas to know all about guidelines and deadlines. And watch the video if you missed class or just miss us. We miss you. Even those of you who don't come to class. Where are you? Are you okay? Please come back. Sasha is also sorry she locked several of you out of Zoom on Thursday. The new link to the meetings will come with the Monday announcements. And be sure to check your email 24 hours before class to see if you have been chosen to be the next installation face. Some advice regarding making art when you are overwhelmed with questions. Do what you know. You know, for example, you need to make a boatload of, say, clay bodies. So maybe you don't know where they will go: the bathtub, the kitchen, your backyard, or the bench at the bus stop. Just do what you know for 7 days. Make. As you work, some answers may be revealed. Make. Do what you know. Do what you love. Peace.
Yeah. 12:02, 12:01. All right, folks, I'd like to wait just a few more